Hello and welcome to a University of Alberta library tutorial. The goal of this tutorial is to show you how to determine if a company is public or private. When conducting company research, it is important to know if your company is public or private. You can use our company's library guide for help finding company information. Public companies issue stock for purchase by individuals or other companies. These shares are traded on a stock exchange such as the New York Stock Exchange or the Toronto Stock Exchange. Because they are publicly traded, they have to disclose financial, operational, and strategic information to their shareholders in documents such as a 10-K or an annual report. Private companies are not traded on the stock market and thus are not legally obligated to release information. This can make it difficult to find information about private companies. One way to check if a company is public or private is to check their website and look for keywords such as annual reports, about us, for investors, etc. You can also search for the company on the mandatory filing sites SEDAR for Canada or EDGAR for American companies. If a company does not appear in either one of these sites, there is a good chance it is private. There is often plenty of information to be found for public companies, but private companies are more of a challenge. Their websites can provide some information, and the library database, Orbis, may also have information on private companies. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For questions, reach us at library.ualberta.ca/askus.